Hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I'm going to be doing a look with the Dirty Martini Palette from Glamlite. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. And this is a beautiful palette, and I can't wait to do a green look. Look at these coppers. So pretty. So I'm going to be doing a cute little look with this today, just for shits and giggles. It's been a minute since I found a new palette that I really wanted, so I thought I would go back in time and get into here. I'm going to start with Dirty Money, this matte shade. It's a really pretty green. It's so beautiful. It is really just a remarkable color there. And this is going to set the tone for the rest of my look. I think I'd like to go in with just a splash. Let me get kind of a flat brush for that. That is a beautiful copper color with like a green shift to it. I'm building it up. That's very pretty. And that is just so pretty. And that's really making my eyes pop. I'm going to go in with my index finger into On the Rocks, this very light green. Oh, look at that. That's kind of a teal turquoisey kind of green. That looks really beautiful. Now I'm going to go into a darker color to kind of give it some depth. I'm going to go into mix it up, this deep blue color. And that's really beautiful. And that is my look. Now it's time for liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Voila, we have liner and mascara on, and it really pulls the look together. And for my lips, I'm going to do a nude, and it's going to be number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, which is Seductress. And there we have it, a beautiful look with the Dirty Martini Palette from Glamlite. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.